Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to English literature period. Dear friends, first passage of this lesson, the sermon at Banaras, was explained study, and few questions were also arisen from this passage. Today we have to start second passage. So let's start now. Dear friends, in first passage we were conveyed that Prince Siddhartha how to leave his family and the palace. How did he come to know worldly sorrow, suffering and pains? And what was effect of those scenes on the Prince Siddhartha? Finally, I got message from the first passage that Prince Siddhartha got enlightenment, knowledge after becoming knowledge person. He was known Mahatma. Then he began to move place to place to preach, to give religious teachings to the people. In next passage, we are going to know a story related a lady named Kisa Gautami. She had a lonely son, but all of a sudden death struck to him. Death came to him, he died. Kisa Gautami became very sad. Nearly she became mad lady. Why? In grief of her dead son. And with the dead body of her son, he began to walk here and there. Why? In search of medicine. But she couldn't find any type of medicine that could cure her son. She met a man Please pay attention on the passage. First passage and half of the second passage have been explained. From here, I am showing you line of the book. Please pay attention on this line. At length, Kisa Gautami. At length, Kisha Gautami met a man who replied to her request, I cannot give the medicine for thy child, but I know a physician who can. Kisha Gautami met a man and requested for the medicine, but that man requested that he couldn't do anything for her dead son while he helped her. That she could visit a physician. That lady, that girl, the girl said, pray, tell me, sir, who is it? And the man replied, go to Sakya Muni, the Buddha. Means Kisa Gautami was advised to visit, to meet Lord Buddha, Sakya Muni, the Buddha. Immediate, without being late single a moment, Kisa Gautami set about. Kisa Gautami repaired to the Buddha and cried, Lord and Master, give me the medicine that will cure my son. The Buddha answered, I want a handful of mustard seed. And when the girl in her joy promised to procure it, the Buddha added, the mustard seed must be taken from a house where no medicine, where no one has lost a child, husband, parents, or friend. Kisa Gautami cried for help. Going, she requested Lord to give her medicine. At this, Mahatma Buddha, as he was kind-hearted person, very helpful person, knowledge person, he answered, it's okay, but he wanted a handful of mustard seed. Mustard seed. When the girl listened the word, she danced with joy and promised to bring. But just then, Buddha also threw our next sentence. What was that? Mustard seed must be taken from a house where no person, no family member has lost a child, husband, parent, or friend. Please highlight this passage. From this passage, what type of question can you get? Please listen, write in your copy. What did Buddha answer when the lady requested him for the medicine to cure her dead son. Once again, what did Buddha answer when the lady requested for the medicine to cure her dead son? Before this, the line above this passage, from that also you can get a question. What did the man advise to lady? The man advised the lady, answer, the man advised the lady to meet, to visit a physician, Shakyamuni the Buddha. This is the answer of this question. Thanks. Have a nice day.